Innate immunity, external barrier, first line of defense. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, you should be able to describe the characteristics and functions of external barrier in defense against infection. Introduction. Human must defend itself against uninvited intruders, the many potentially dangerous viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens it encounters in the air, in food, and in water. It must also deal with abnormal body cells, which in some cases may develop into cancers. 3 cooperative lines of defense have evolved to counter these threats. 2 of these are non-specific, that is, they do not distinguish one infectious agent from another. Innate immunity consists of physical barriers, which are skin and mucous membrane, cells, which are granulocytes, monocytes, and macrophages, and chemical barriers, which are pH, lipids, and enzymes. The first line of defense. The skin and mucous membrane provide first-line barriers to infection. Intact skin is a barrier that cannot normally be penetrated by bacteria or viruses, although even minute abrasions may allow their passage. Likewise, the mucous membranes that line the respiratory, digestive, and genitourinary tracts block the entry of potentially harmful microbes. The skin covers the body and protects underlying tissues from invasion by microbes. Very few microbes can penetrate the intact skin. The skin has these factors: surface temperature, effective mechanical barrier, antimicrobial properties, which includes relative dryness, mild acidity, pH 3 to 5, acid pH of sweat. These factors can prevent microbes, for example bacteria, from colonizing or multiply themselves on the skin. Chemical defenses. In humans, secretions from sebaceous and sweat glands give the skin a pH ranging from 3 to 5, which is acidic enough to prevent colonization by many microbes. Microbial colonization is also inhibited by the washing action of saliva, tears, and mucus secretions that continually bath the exposed epithelium. All these secretions contain antimicrobial proteins like lysozymes, which digest the cell walls of many bacteria and destroying them. Microbes present in food or water, or those in swallowed mucus, must contend with the highly acidic environment of the stomach. Mucous membrane. Mucous membranes protect the underlying tissues from microbes. The tracts of the body, such as gastrointestinal, respiratory, genitourinary tracts, are lined with mucous membranes. Mucus contains lysozyme and immunoglobulins. The protective function of mucus. Mucus traps microbes and debris in respiratory tract. Cilia lining walls sweep away mucus and foreign matter. Respiratory tract. It has a turbulent airflow, coughing and sneezing, has in nose cilia, bronchial secretions that contain lysozymes and macrophages. These factors can prevent, remove, or kill microbes from the respiratory tract. Gastrointestinal tract has an acid pH ranging from 1.8 to 2, pancreatic enzymes, bile and peristalsis, antimicrobial factors, and also normal intestinal flora. Genitourinary tract. urine bactericidal due to pH, flushing of the urine, hypertonic state of the kidney medulla, acid environment of the vagina, and keratinization of the epithelial cells. The eye contains tears, which have lysozymes and bathing the eyes.